So in this experiment, we are going to discuss about, that is, we are going to determine the coefficient of discharge for the orifice meter. This is the table which shows the tabulated, that is the readings which taken during the experimental run. And during the experimental session, we have taken the manometric reading from the left and right limb of the manometric which is filled with the mercury, and in terms of centimeter, and also we have taken the value of time which taken for the y centimeter, that is y is the value which has taken as 10 centimeter for this experimental run from the collection time. Okay, so for 10 centimeter of water, how much time will take to fill that one? Okay, so which has been calculated, which has been taken during the experimental run. So we will discuss the sample calculation for the first reading. In addition to that, the diameter of the pipe and diameter of the orifice has given us D1 and D2, and then size of the collection tank also given. And from the size of the collecting tank, we will calculate the area of the collection tank. Okay, so then the first reading, that is for manometric deflection, has been calculated by differentiate the, that is by subtracting from the both readings, that is 32 minus 21, we will get the value manometric deflection as 11 centimeter, and the orifice meter head has been calculated from that one. Okay, because the manometric reading is in terms of centimeter of mercury, but we have to convert the value in terms of centimeter of water. Okay, so for that we have to use this formula, that is S1 minus 1 divided by S2, that is nothing but the specific gravity of mercury to the water. Because the value is in terms of mercury, we need to calculate, we need to convert this value into the water, that is centimeter of water. The centimeter of mercury is 13.6, centimeter of water is 1. So 13.6 minus 1 divided by 1 multiply with the manometric deflection will give the value of manometric reading in terms of meter of water. So, and then the constant for the orifice meter has been calculated to calculate the theoretical discharge. Okay, so here theoretical discharge Q suffix T is equal to C into root H. C is the constant, orifice meter constant, hint H is the head of the orifice meter. Okay, so for that we need to calculate the C. So C, the formula for the C value is A1 A2 into root 2G divided by square root of A1 square minus A2 square. So here A1, A2 is nothing but the area of the pipe and orifice meter. For that we use the value of diameter of the pipe and diameter of the orifice meter which is given here. Okay, from that we have calculated the area of the pipe and orifice meter as A1 and A2 by using the formula pi d square by 4. So after substituting the value in the formula C, then we calculated the C value as 83.53, and then the QT value has been calculated by substituting the values in the formula C into root H in terms of centimeter cube per second. So then actual discharge has been calculated by substituting the value of the area of the collection tank. So this has been calculated from the size of the collection tank which is given here as we measured, multiplied with the y. Y is nothing but the rise of water is 10 centimeter, and T is the time taken for the rise of water in the collection tank. Then the Q actual value has been calculated in terms of centimeter cube per second. So then the coefficient of discharge has been calculated, the difference between the Q actual and Q theoretical. Then graph has to be drawn for the value in between log H and the log actual discharge. Okay, so the line, the points are plotted, then the line which connects the maximum points, and the n value, the slope value of this line has been calculated by means of by dy by dx, that is a vertical and divided to the horizontal. Okay, so from that we take the log k as 1.7. From this we have calculated the k value by taking the antilog of that value. Then we have to fill the value in the result session. Here the coefficient of discharge value has been filled from the tabulation, the average value of the all the 5 readings, and then the CD value from the graph has been written here, and then K value and N value from the graph has been written in the result.